As experienced professionals in utility construction, I know that you take great pride in workmanship. However, there may be times when a pipe may be inadvertently damaged through handling. Ceramawrap coating may need to be repaired to ensure long-term serviceability of the material. In this episode of Iron Strong, I'll be walking you through some easy steps to repair affected areas of the pipe. Hi, I'm Regula, Senior National Product Engineer with McWane Ductile. On this episode of Iron Strong, I'll talk about the procedures and tools needed to repair Ceramawrap coating on ductile iron pipe. The tools needed are mostly in this can. The touch-up kit, which includes Part A, Part B, and the epoxy will be mixed together in this large can. It also comes with a mixing stick, an application paintbrush, and sandpaper to clean the affected area. Tools that are not included but are recommended: gloves, rag, wire brush, possibly a file, and a chisel or paint scraper to remove any loose debris. The first step you want to do is remove any loose material or coating. You can use a wire brush for this application. Next, use the sandpaper to roughen up the surface and taper the blunt edges of the coating. Then use a rag to wipe any debris or dust from the affected area. A quick pro tip: Ceramawrap curing time is less than Protecto 401 lining. Therefore, have the affected area prepared prior to mixing the patch material. Patch material should be used within 15 minutes of mixing. After we have the surface prepared, we want to mix all the material together in the big can. If you're not going to use all the material, you want to use a 1-to-1 ratio for small repairs. This is our Part B and our Part A. Okay, now that we've mixed up our material, Part A, Part B, we want to use our applicator brush and coat the area. When we're coating this area, we want to overlap the existing material about 1 inch. You can see here we have one coat. Our ultimate goal is to get between 20 and 25 mils of material. And how do I measure that in the field? I want to make sure that the new material matches up with the existing material. That's a good benchmark to know that I have the proper thickness. How do I do that? Just dab a little material and build it up. You can see that the material is getting a little thicker and it's blending in real well. I'm going to let that sit there for just a minute. After we've applied this material, we want this pipe to sit here for a good 3 hours. We'll let this set up before we start handling the pipe and install it on the bridge. If you would like to download a checklist of this procedure, click the link in the video description below. Hey, thanks for watching. And always remember, work hard, work smart, and work safe.